perform countless small and large tasks each and every day. But what happens when your hands need a little help? Body and posture expert Dr. Liza Egbogah has some things you can do if you're feeling a little hand pain. Good morning to you.
During the pandemic, reporting more hand pain than before. And I think a lot of it has to do with new hobbies like knitting, baking, cooking, even riding a bike that requires your grip strength. And if you're working from home and spending more time on the computer and then on your phone, you're likely to have achy hands. So I have some great exercises that you can do to have your hands feeling better. We use them so much, so we need to take care of them, right?
Absolutely. I'm going to follow along with you as well.
Yes, please do.
Okay.
So because most of the actions that we do with our hands actually are based on muscles in our forearm. So the first thing you want to make sure you do every day is to actually stretch your forearm muscles. So to do that, you just bring your arm straight out in front of you, and then you'll use one hand to push your hand down towards you, and you should feel a stretch throughout your forearm here. So you want to hold that for about 10 seconds, and then you want to do the other side of the forearm. So then now you're taking the back of the hand and pulling it towards you. And then you'll feel a stretch on the inner forearm.
I feel it here.
Okay. And next, you really want to get blood flow and circulation to the hands. So a good way to do this and also stretch them is you make two tight fists. You hold that for about 2 seconds, and then you want to open your hand and stretch them as much as you can. And as you do that, you're going to actually see the blood flow rushing to your hand. So this is an amazing exercise to do throughout the day. It really helps loosen up your hands and brings blood flow to your hands.
You know, it's such a simple move, but it really does work. It feels really relaxing too. That's great.
Yeah, and when you take tension away from your hands, everything will feel better. Now, you also want to massage your hands because they get tight from all the usage. But because you're using your hands and they're already tight, you don't want to use your hands to massage your hands. So what I do is I actually take the elbow and I use that starting at the base of the thumb. And you're literally just using that bony part of your elbow in a circular motion to massage the palm of your hand. So you can start under your thumb, and then you get a nice deep tissue massage. If it hurts a little bit, that's good. Okay, and then you just want to move around and find the areas that are tight. And then you want to do that on both sides. So there you go. You get a nice little massage for your hands without straining your hands more by massaging them with your hands.
Okay, that feels really great. And like you said, you can feel some parts that are a little bit tighter than others. So that's so neat.
Yes.
Thank you, doctor.
So most people will find that under their thumb is the tightest part because of all of this on your phone, right? And then next, I have 2 acupressure points. So the great thing about these acupressure points is they release tight muscles in your hand, but they're also great for anxiety, and they also help you relax. So you get a bonus where you get tension relief from your hands, and you also get to feel more relaxed. So the first one is actually the web in between your thumb and your pointer finger. You want to take your thumb and you want to actually press into that web. Now, this will probably hurt because in most people, it is very, very tight. So you want to press as hard as you can, and you want to do that for 20 seconds.
Ooh, okay.
Yes. And right after that, you want to do the other side. So this is actually a really great one to do at the end of the day because it can help you sleep better. It helps you wind down. And then you're less likely to get numbness and tingling in your hands when you wake up. Because, you know, some people, they might sleep on their hand and they end up getting numbness and tingling in their hands. And then the last one, which is amazing for sleep, is you're going to go 3 finger breaths above your wrist. And then you can use your thumb and you want to just press on that area. And you want to hold that for up to a minute. So again, this will probably feel a little bit tender. But as you're doing it, just focus on your breath. And then by the time that you take it off, you should feel so much more relaxed. And now, if you really love it so much that you want to keep that feeling going, you can take a kidney bean or marble or something like that, and you can actually tape it to that area. So that way you have continuous pressure there and sleep that way. And that apparently helps with insomnia. It helps you get into your deeper sleep. And that's why it's widely used in traditional Chinese medicine as a spot to help people with sleep. And they just use little beans. You can tape it on with some sports tape, go to bed, and then you'll be like, that was a good sleep. And your hands feel better, you're sleeping better, you just feel good all around.
Dr. Liza Egbogah, this is just so relaxing. Every move, wow, it feels wonderful. I really thank you for this. This is a great way to manage any kind of hand discomfort or pain. You took us through it. Thank you, Dr.
Absolutely.
Liza.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your hand exercises.
I will. Thank you. Have a great day.